Good morning, student. Welcome back. My name is Swati Sharma. Jai Swaminarayan, Atmiya Green School, Jhadeshwar, Bharuch. And today's date is 6 July. And our running chapter is linear equation in two variables. Okay. And we have learned about what is linear equation and what is the um, how to find the solution of this linear equation. Okay, in exercise 4.1 and 4.2, I hope you have completed your work in in your notebook, exercise 4.1 and 4.2, and I hope you have no doubt, because no one is asked me doubts. Okay, now we have learn learn ahead. Graph of a linear equation in two variable. How can a linear equation in two variable be represented on a graph? Okay, let's see. If the equation is in the form of x plus y is equal to 4, and you have to denote it in the graph. So first of all, see the power of highest power of x and y is 1, so it is a linear equation, and here it is two variable, then it is linear equation in two variables. So you know what is the type of graph. X axis, x coordinate, and y coordinate. X coordinate is always abscissa and y coordinate is ordinate. Okay, now we have denote equation in the form of y is equal to 4 minus x. If you put x is equal to minus 1, then what is the value of y? If you put x is equal to 0, then what is the value of y? And x is equal to 1, then what is the value of y? So let's write, this is your values. Then what is xy? Minus 1, 5, 0, 4, 1 and 3. And this way you have, now let's denote it in the Cartesian plane. So where is minus 1 and 5? Minus 1 means x is minus sign and 5. So here it is your graph on Cartesian plane. Understand? Now let's see another example. And see, if the equation is linear, then your graph is always linear. See here, you see the graph is straight line. Okay, all the point is in a straight line, and it is so many solution are there. Okay, now if I want to take x is equal to 5, then y is equal to minus 1, then it is also in a straight line. LHS is equal to RHS, and this type you have to do so many points x, value of x, then you find value of y. Okay, and this type you have to solve, draw a graph of linear equation in a Cartesian plane. Okay, see, the graph of a linear equation will always be a straight line. Every point on the line be the solution of the equation which represent the line. Every point which does not lie on the line will not be a solution of the linear equation which represent the line. Understand? If the point is not on the line, then it is not a solution of this linear equation. Means that is not satisfy the equation. LHS is not equal to RHS in that case. Understand? Okay, now see in your book, it is the example x plus 2y is equal to 6. Now taken x is equal to, or 2y is equal to 6 minus x. Then now we find value of x and y. Put the value of x is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, then what is the value of y? So 0 plus 2y is equal to 6. Then 2y is equal to 6. So y is equal to, the value of y is equal to 6 upon 2, that is 3. So your value is 3. So if you put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3, x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2, x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 1. How it is find? See, x is equal to 4. If you put x is equal to 4, then what is the equation? 4 plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay, so 2y is equal to 6 minus 4. So 2y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 1. Understand? This type you have to find the value of x and y. You have find so many values of x and y from this table. First of all, draw the table and write the numbers. Okay, now see, if you want, if you have to draw this coordinate on x and y Cartesian plane, then this is a linear line. Okay, so, or straight line. Understand? Now again, I will told you every point whose coordinates satisfy equation lies on the line AB. Every point A and B, A comma B on a line AB gives a solution x is equal to A and y is equal to B. Means it is a definite value of x is equal to A and y is equal to B. If you put x is equal to 1, then value of y is different. If you put x is equal to 2, then value of y is different, and so on. Okay, so the reason that a degree 1 polynomial equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called a linear equation equation is that its geometrical representation is a straight line. Understand? Its geometrical representation is a straight line. Now take an example. Example number 5. Given the point 1, 2, find the equation of a line on which it lie. How many such equation are there? So see, here 1 and 2 is the solution of a linear equation you are looking for. So you are looking for any line passing through the point 1, 2. Okay, 1 and 2. 1 means x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 2. Okay, so your equation will be x plus y is equal to 3, because x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So it become x plus y is equal to 3. And other says y minus x is equal to 1. Okay, or y is equal to 2x. Since they are also satisfy these 2 and 3 equations, you may write. Okay, now okay, so this type these two type of question are there. Now if question is x plus y is equal to 7, then what can you do? Value of x, put a value of x and find the value of y and write on table. Okay, and draw a graph this type. This is your graph. Example number 7. See the example number 7. You know that the force of applied on a body is directly proportional to the acceleration produced in the body. Write the equation to express the situation and plot the graph of the equation. So what can you do? Means y is equal to kx. Here the variable involved are force and acceleration. Let the force applied by y unit and the acceleration will be produces x unit from ratio and proportion. So you know what is the if you want to show, so it will be y upon x is equal to k. So y is equal to kx, where k is constant. From your study of science, you know it is. Okay, now since we do not know that k is, we cannot draw the graph. Okay, so y is equal to kx. However, if we, so first we find the value of y, value of k. Okay, so let the k will be 3, means you take 0 0 0 1 and so on, and you have to draw the graph. See, 0 0 means x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. If you take the value of k is equal to 3, so your equation will be y is equal to 3x. Okay, so your value of y is equal to, if you take x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 6, because 3 2s are 6. Okay, this type you have to do the questions and see the graph of example number 8. Do it by yourself. And now exercise number 4.3. okay, we will do exercise number 4.3. So our first question is, draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variables. X plus y is equal to 4. We have do this type of question. Okay, x plus y is equal to 4. Take different value of x and put the value of y. Okay, so see, x, draw this type of table, x and y. Okay, put the value of x is equal to, so taking x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 0. Okay, now take a graph paper and plot the points. Okay, 0 4, where is 0 4? 0 4 are here, and where is 4 0? Where is 4 0? Now 4 0 is, see, so it will be a linear line. Okay, it will be a straight line. So this type you have to do exercise 4.3, question number 2 first. Now take x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 0. If you take first y is equal to 0, then x, value of x is 2, and x is equal to, y is equal to 1, then x is equal to, what is the value of x? X is equal to 3. Okay, because 1 is transformed to another side, so it become plus, so value of x is equal to 3. Okay, so you have get this type of two values of x and y. Now draw the graph and plot the points. What is the points? 2, 0 and 3, 1. Okay, where is the 2, 0? Y is equal to 0 and 2, so it become here. Okay, and where 3, 1? Where is 3, 1? Value of x is 3 and value of y is 1. So here is the 3, 1. Understand? Now take and understand, this type you have to draw the line. Okay, so fourth one is, if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3, and y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1 by 1.5. Okay, and draw the points on the Cartesian plane. Okay, see the question. Give the equation of two lines passing through 2, 14. How many more such lines are there and why? See, you have to make an equation. So equation is in the form of x plus y is equal to 16, x minus y is equal to minus 12. If you take 2x plus y is equal to 18, then the equation will be satisfied, because y is equal to, if you take this type of equations, so there are infinite many such lines as through a point infinite line can passes, because you have to give only 2 points and you have make this type so many equations. Okay, understand? See question number 3. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. Okay, if you take the point x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4, put it in the equation, then you have to find the value of x. 3 into 4 is equal to a into 3 plus 7. 3 4s are 12. 3a plus 7. Understand? So it becomes 7 is transposed to there in our RHS. 12 minus 7 is equal to 3a, that is 5 is equal to 3a. So a is equal to 5 upon 3. A is equal to 5 upon 3 is your answer. Okay? Understand? Read the question carefully. The taxi fare in a city is as follow. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered x kilometer and total fare as y, write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. Okay, total distance. What is the total distance? You don't know what is total distance. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer. Okay, first kilometer fare is 8 and subsequent distance is 5 per kilometer. Okay, so given that what is given is total distance x, first kilometer fare is 8 and other kilometer fare is 5. Okay, so what is the total fare? What is the total fare? Now
सॉल्व कर नहीं सकते, सो 5 से इस ब्रैकेट को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 5 को x में.
See, the first kilometer will be x. The first kilometer fare is 8 kilometer per meter. Okay, so other kilometer fare is x minus 1 into 5, because whatever kilometer he go, then the fare is x minus 1 into 5. So it become 8 plus x minus 1 into 5 is equal to y. So what is your equation? Total distance is and total fare is y. Okay, so you have to solve this equation. 5x minus y is equal plus 3 is equal to 0. Y plus 3, this is your equation, and in this equation you have to find the value of x and y. Put the different value of x and different value of y and complete this table. Okay, this type of table you have to draw x and y. If you put the value of x is, if you put the 0, then what is the value of y? Value of y is, see, y is equal to minus y is equal to minus 3. That means y is equal to plus 3. Okay, because minus cancel, so y is equal to 3. Okay, now second one is putting the value of y is equal to 0. Then what is the value of x? The value of x is, see, 0.6. Okay, so value of x is, now put these values in Cartesian plane. Where is 0, 3? Okay, here is 0, 3, and where is 0 and 0.6? 0.6 is x Cartesian coordinate and 0 is in y coordinate. So where is the value of this? Yes, here is 0.6 minus 0.6 and 0. Okay, now draw a straight line. Now draw a straight line. So this is your answer. Okay, so question number 5, the figure is y is equal to x. Mean whatever the value of y, it is the value of x also. See, if the value of y is equal to 0, then value of x is a 0. Okay, from the choice given below, choose the equation whose graph are given in the figure A and figure B. See, here it is not a graph of y is equal to x, because if the value of y is equal to minus 1, then value of x is 1. so it is not the value of y is equal to x. Okay, 1 is equal to minus 1, it is not possible in this equation. Okay, so this is not a graph of y is equal to x. Okay, understand? Now x plus y is equal to 0, it is possible because x is equal to minus y. Okay, from here you can take x is equal to minus, so see here 0 is equal to 0 means LHS is equal to RHS. So yes, x plus y is equal to 0 is this is the graph of x plus y is equal to 0. This is the right one. Okay, so this type you have to solve question number 5, question 6, 7 and 8. It's your homework. Have a good day. Okay.